Eliminex here. We're catching skunks today. I caught one already. I'll show you. Well, we set out some traps. We're in beginning of February. Next couple days, it's going to go into the teens, maybe even 10 degrees at the lowest. Right now, it's in the 20s, but it doesn't feel that cold really because it's not windy. We had to go through a lot of wind past week. We had that vortex. That winter vortex, we haven't had that since 2013 or 14. So it's been like 4 or 5 years, 4.5 years since we had that, and it lasted a few days. So windy, and then it got into the 40s. Then I got this call, so the skunks were out, and then it got cold again. So I guess they made a home. So this is a townhouse, and it's kind of tricky because there's an association involved, and this was an emergency, so we're documenting everything so they can submit the paperwork to get reimbursed, because this was definitely an emergency. Even though there's many properties connected, usually you have to go through management for that. But I document everything nicely so they can submit all that to show that there was definitely an emergency, and also documented that the local police or animal control wouldn't do anything about it. So here's a skunk. Hopefully it doesn't try to spray me. I just never know, because I just never really deal with them. Usually when I catch skunks, they're not the target animal. Most of the time I catch skunks, it's not the target animal. It's usually a byproduct. See him in there? It's usually a byproduct of catching other things. See, he's in there. How you doing? He's sleeping. His head's over there. Yeah, when you see his head on the other side, you steer clear. Oh man. Only my boot got sprayed last year because I was doing one of these videos, and I threw the container on top of the trap because I wasn't trapping skunks, so I didn't have the traps inside containers. But this year I'm going to get a little smarter. I'm going to try to any ground animal I'm going to have in containers this time. Plus it shields them from the cold, and other animals like fox or raccoon will try to get at them, and also the public, people walking their dogs. So I devised a system where if they go into the trap, they'll be safe from the elements and out of public view, because people get upset when they see an animal trapped. People get upset about that. So when the door closes, you won't even know what's in there. I do run the risk of these getting taken, getting stolen, but I don't think anybody would bother with these. And that's that. So yeah, I got sprayed. It was only on my boot, just a little bit, and my clothes and my van smelled like for 2 weeks, and even the clothes smelled. I had a jacket, and it smelled like skunk for like 2 weeks. Couldn't get the odor out, and only sprayed my boot. I guess I could have sprayed vinegar or some neutralizing thing. I didn't really think about it. I just thought it just got my boot, no big deal. But the fumes, it got all over everything. So skunk is pretty brutal. Yeah. So it's nice that we caught this one, because they paid me ahead of time, and there's always contingencies if I don't catch the target animal. You know, I don't get paid for the full amount. I have a, it's more like a diagnostic. You know, we do the trap setup and monitoring. We charge some nominal fee, but it's like a third of the price. But luckily, we're making headway, because the first day I caught raccoons. 2 raccoons got into the bigger traps, and I had to let them go. I let them go on this property. I didn't even take them away, so hopefully they got spooked. They didn't come back. That's good. It's a good thing that they have memory. So they didn't come back, but I might catch them at any time. All right, have a good day.